Be ready. Start. Suit of the plaintiff respondent number 1 for specific performance of the agreement of sale dated 13/5/2000 was dismissed but was decreed agreeing in alternative release of refund of double earnest money 29,500 by the trial court stove. In an appeal filed by both the parties, the lower appellate court passed a decree of specific performance of agreement in favor of plaintiff respondent, directing the defendant appellant to deposit the balance of sale consideration of 34,500 and for execution of the sale deed in favor of plaintiff stove. The defendant had preferred the second appeal before this court against the judgment of reversal, in which notice of motion was issued on 8/7/2010 along with notice regarding stay to the respondent stove. During the pendency of the appeal, the defendant appellant had written a letter to the High Court in the name of the Honorable Judge hearing the appeal to the effect that his counsel had filed the appeal against his instructions stove. On account of delay in filing the appeal, the plaintiff respondent had taken possession of 6 canals of land stove. He has leveled allegations against his counsel for having duped him stove. Wide order dated 3/1/2011, the appellant was directed to come present in person in the court stove. Appellant has sent another communication to the High Court dated 5/8/2010 praying for dismissal of the appeal, stating that there is no need for pursuing the same as possession has already been taken by the respondent from him stanza. Counsel for the appellant is directed to seek instructions from the appellant whether the appellant is interested to pursue the appeal or he wants to withdraw the appeal stove. Counsel for the appellant has submitted that as per his instructions, the appellant is still in possession of the property in dispute stove. It is not out of case to observe here that no opinion has been expressed regarding the authenticity of the letters received by the court, as it is not established whether the letters have been got written from the appellant to prejudice his right, or he generally does not want to proceed with the appeal stove. Notice be issued to the appellant Prem Singh to appear in the court along with his counsel on the next date of hearing stove. In the interest of justice and for clarification whether the appellant is interested to pursue the appeal or not, adjourned to 14/7/2011 stove. Status quo regarding possession as existing today will be maintained till the next date of hearing. Full stop. Over.